I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Make sure your Roku model and the device you want to mirror both support screen mirroring and connect them to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the Roku settings, go to System, then Screen Mirroring, and set it to Prompt or Always Allow so the Roku will accept incoming connections. Doing this now avoids interruption later. It also sets the Roku to advertise itself so your phone, tablet, or PC can discover and initiate the connection. Next, you'll start the cast from your source device. On Windows, use Action Center, choose Project, then connect to a wireless display and pick your Roku. On Android, open Quick Settings and tap Cast or Screencast, then select the Roku name, enable wireless display in developer options if needed. On iPhone or iPad, use Control Center and screen mirroring when Roku supports AirPlay. Make sure you accept the prompt on the Roku if you set it to prompt. This step establishes the secure stream between devices. To finish, fine-tune the mirrored output and resolve issues quickly. If the image is cropped or rotated, change display scale or orientation on your source device. Once mirrored, many apps let you set resolution. If you see lag, move devices closer to the router, switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz or close background apps consuming bandwidth. If the Roku doesn't appear, reboot both devices, verify they are on the same network, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls. These commonly block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.